Jenny was exhausted. She had been burning the candle at both ends for months, working long hours at her job as a consultant and staying up late binging watching her favorite shows. She barely had time to sleep, usually just collapsing into bed at 1 a.m. and struggling out of bed again at 6 a.m. On her way to work, Jenny stopped it for her usual morning coffee, but found herself nodding off in the night. She realized this couldn't continue. She desperately needed to catch up on sleep. It turned out she chose the perfect day to make that realization. March 17, World Sleep Day. World Sleep Day is an annual event organized by the World Sleep Society to raise awareness of the importance of sleep for healthy education and productivity. The first World Sleep Day was held in 2008. Sleep experts came together to highlight the fact that lack of sleep is now considered a global epidemic, with over 45% of the world's population not getting enough sleep on a regular basis. Sleep is essential for vital bodily functions like regulating mood, reducing stress, boosting our immune system, improving memory and cognitive performance, as well as maintaining a healthy body weight. But in our fast-paced world, sleep is often neglected and seen as a sign of laziness or lack of productivity. World Sleep Day aims to change that perception and educate people on the benefits of getting enough high-quality sleep each night. To celebrate World Sleep Day, the World Sleep Society recommends committing to a sleep goal to work on for the next year, like going to bed 15 minutes earlier each night or sleeping in on the weekends. They also encourage people to turn off electronics 1 hour before bed, practice relaxation exercises before sleeping, and avoid large meals, alcohol, and caffeine in the evening. Some people organize sleep-ins or net contests with friends to make sleep a social event. Using the hashtag #WorldSleepDay on social media, many share photos of their cozy sleeping setups or post facts and statistics about the importance of sleep. However, the best way to recognize World Sleep Day is by putting those devices away at night, crawling into your coziest pajamas, and getting the full night's sleep your body and mind desperately need. Catching up on sleep is the best gift you can give yourself for World Sleep Day. March 17 is World Sleep Day. This is a painting we've done with oil pastels for this special day. Wish you a great World Sleep Day. Cheers!